Take a ride in the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control and is priced below $60,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power driver mirrors, security system, cruise control, power door locks, power driver seat, power passenger seat, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.